Don't you just love coconut clusters? What if you could make them with raw chocolate and superfoods? I'll show you how to do that right now. Hi, I'm Joann and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. If you're looking for healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet, you're in the right place. So be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. So let me show you how to make these incredible coconut clusters that are no-bake, raw, vegan, and gluten-free and dairy-free. See the full recipe in the description below. For these coconut clusters, we need coconut oil, liquid sweetener of choice, stevia, almond extract, raw cacao powder, sea salt, walnuts, dried blueberries, coconut flakes, and raw cacao nibs. What is your favorite chocolate candy? Let us know in the comments below. Before mixing, freeze the coconut oil for about 10 minutes so it's solid. In a high-speed blender, add the solid coconut oil, preferably cold-pressed extra virgin coconut oil. Then add your liquid sweetener of choice. Honey can be raw, but it's not vegan. This is vanilla-flavored stevia, but you can add plain. Almond extract adds some nice flavor. Next is raw cacao powder and a little pink Himalayan sea salt. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button now. It will really help us out. Blend until smooth. Check out more chocolate recipes in this playlist and in the description below. Pour it into a bowl and add the raw cacao nibs, the dried coconut flakes, then small dried fruits such as goji berries, raisins, blueberries, or any fruit you have left over. Now the walnuts, soaked and dehydrated for easier digestion. Stir well until everything's covered in chocolate. Don't forget to download our free Christmas ebook for more chocolate recipes in the description below. Use 2 spoons to scoop out blobs of batter onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet. Watch this video to learn how to make raw vegan chocolate. Refrigerate to help the clusters set up. Since the chocolate was not tempered, you'll need to keep these refrigerated and eaten immediately upon serving. You can also freeze them to make them last longer. These are chewy and delicious. Remember, you can still have your comfort foods, but in a healthy way. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future tips and recipes. Watch these videos around me for more healthy tips and recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.